Hello friends, in today's world, bank cards have become an integral part of everyday life. We use them for shopping, paying for services, and even for trading on financial markets. But when and how did these little plastic helpers appear? Strifor is with you, and in this video, we will tell you about the history of the emergence of bank cards. You will learn how the forgotten wallet changed the finance industry, how Visa and MasterCard appeared, and even why PIN codes have 4 digits and what women have to do with it. And before you start watching, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss other interesting videos. The first idea to create a bank card emerged in the middle of the 20th century. In 1949, American Frank McNamara discovered while in a restaurant that he had forgotten his cash. This inconvenient situation inspired him to create a system that would allow people to pay without cash. This was the birth of Diners Club, the first universal credit card that could be used in a variety of establishments. It was a cardboard rectangle and was very popular among businessmen. In addition to Diners Club, in 1951, the Franklin National Bank of New York issued the first credit card that could be used at various stores and businesses, thus ushering in the era of modern credit cards. In the early 60s, the idea of plastic cards began to evolve further. Bank of America issued Bank AmeriCard, which became the first nationwide card in the United States. Bank AmeriCard later turned into Visa, one of the leaders among payment systems. And in 1966, Interbank Card Association was founded, which later turned into MasterCard. These companies began to actively develop the infrastructure for the use of plastic cards around the world. Visa has undergone a significant evolution since its inception. In 2008, the company had one of the largest IPOs in history, raising nearly $18 billion. Since then, Visa has continued to expand with innovations in digital payments and transaction security. Visa stock has attracted investors due to its steady revenue and earnings growth. The company is actively investing in new technologies such as contactless payments and biometric authentication, which contributes to its market leadership. Visa's reliability and global presence make its stock an attractive option for long-term investments. MasterCard has also come a long way in its development, holding an IPO in 2006 and was able to raise almost $2.5 billion. The company is one of the world's leading payment systems, actively implementing technologies to improve the security and convenience of payments. Investors choose MasterCard stock for its innovative approach and stable financial growth. The company is actively developing artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies, which allows it to remain at the forefront of the payment industry. Stable revenues and high growth rates make MasterCard shares attractive for those looking for a reliable investment. So, how are bank cards secured? Protection against counterfeiting and other fraud. In the late 60s, IBM engineer Ron Klein came up with the idea of using a magnetic stripe to store data on a card. This innovation greatly sped up the transaction process and provided greater security. In the 80s, EMV Chips, an acronym for the leading systems Europay, MasterCard, Visa, were developed in response to increased fraud. They added another layer of security, making cards virtually invulnerable to counterfeiting. As the use of bank cards grew, so did the need for regulation and consumer protection. International standards, such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, were introduced to ensure the security of cardholder data. These measures help protect users from fraud and data theft, making card use safer. Interesting fact, as you know, the PIN code on cards consists of 4 digits. But why are there exactly 4 of them? In 1966, the first cash dispensing ATM was patented. It was designed by Scottish engineer and inventor James Goodfellow. The device accepted cards and was equipped with a keypad for entering a personal identification number, PIN code. Goodfellow was awarded the Order of the British Empire for this invention. At the same time, Goodfellow earned only $15 on his idea. The customer was supposed to enter a 10-digit code for authorization to receive cash. However, Goodfellow's wife could only memorize 4 digits, so it was decided to leave just that many characters in the code. Today, bank cards have become an integral part of the global economy. They allow people to easily manage their finances, make purchases anywhere in the world, and even participate in international trade. Visa and MasterCard continue to innovate, making payments even more convenient and secure. Bank cards have not only changed the world of finance, but have also had a significant impact on society. They have increased the transparency of transactions, helping to reduce corruption and the shadow economy. Cards have enabled millions of people around the world to access banking services, contributing to financial inclusion and economic growth. Many areas, such as e-commerce, would not be possible without bank cards. They have become a key element for online commerce, providing a convenient and secure way to pay for goods and services. The introduction of 3D secure technology has significantly increased the security of online payments, which has contributed to the growth of trust in online shopping. In the 90s, the first case of online purchase using a credit card was recorded. It was the purchase of Sting's album 10 Summoner's Tales on Netmarket. This moment became the starting point for the development of e-commerce. Bank cards continue to evolve with the advent of new technologies. Biometric cards that use fingerprints for authentication are being developed and tested. They will provide the highest level of security and convenience for users. The future may see fully digital cards integrated with Internet of Things, IoT devices, making payment even more seamless and convenient. The history of bank cards is a story of innovation and constant striving to improve the user experience. From the first cardboard cards to modern digital solutions, bank cards have come a long way in changing the world of finance. If you want to not only use bank cards for your everyday needs, but also become a part of this exciting history, consider investing in Visa and MasterCard stocks. Most importantly, don't forget to do your own analysis and risk assessment before making transactions on the stock exchange. Strifor Broker offers convenient tools for trading CFD of shares of large global companies, which will allow you not only to use advanced financial technologies, but also to earn on their development. Dive into the world of investments with us and discover new financial opportunities, because Strifor always pays.